Today I'm going to be staying in a luxury Boeing 737 aeroplane hotel in Hoedspruit, South Africa. My plan is to document my stay at Aerotel. I'll show you the room and everything else Aerotel has to offer. Let's go! Welcome to a Boeing 737 aeroplane converted into a hotel called Aerotel. This place looks incredible. Let's go check it out. Wow, I really love this aeroplane hotel located right here in Hoedspruit, South Africa. I have a feeling that my stay here is going to be amazing. There's something special about this place and I think you guys will feel it as well, especially if you come and stay here. If you want to check that out, the link is down in the description below at a really great price for everything that you get here. If you have a look on their websites, you'll see that you can have the thrill of spending the night on board a Boeing 737. That sounds pretty cool to me, so if you want to look up more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description as well. Yes, I am sitting on an original seat from the airplane. But anyways, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at Aerotel, check in, find the parking spot, and then you'll make your way to the rooms. This Boeing 737 was converted into an Aviator Hotel. It is a 6-room boutique hotel that has luxury cabins with ensuite facilities. I'm staying in the Cumulonimbus suite tonight, and that is a storm cloud. I know that fact because I actually did geography when I was in school. Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Anyways, let's go check out the room. Wow. Welcome inside our room at Aerotel. When you first walk in, the windows catch your eye because they are the same windows that the airplane originally had. Hello, let's start over here. There is a complimentary coffee and tea station that I'm definitely going to be using. Underneath there is a plug point, fire extinguisher, hangers to hang your clothes up, and some space to store your bags. I can actually fit in here, so there's definitely enough space. Then there is a safe mini fridge with some stuff in. There is Sauvignon Blanc, which is wine, Spear Molay, and Amarula. I hope I pronounced those correctly. And then underneath that, there is some more luggage space. Over here, there is a desk, chair, and the mirror with some awesome lights on. You can do whatever you need here. Above all of that, there is an overhead storage compartment. Let's see what's inside. That's cool how that works. There's insect repellent, blankets, slippers, and gowns. That's really cool. Moving on to the bedroom, there is a blue theme in here, which can be seen from the floor, bed, and the walls. I could have done a better jump, but my wrist is broken, so I have to be careful. This is actually really comfortable, so good job on the bed. Lying down here looking at the room, it feels way more spacious than it looks. I feel like I'm in first class over here. On the bed here, we have a welcome Mr. Hackner. Wow, that's so proper and fancy. I love it. Thank you, Aerotel. There is also 2 towels, sanitizer, some lip balm, and biscuits. Thank you, guys. Appreciate the welcome gift. If you have a look to your right, you'll see a cloud-themed wall to make you feel like you're up in the clouds. The wall is information about cumulonimbus clouds because we are in the cumulonimbus room. This wall separates the bedroom from the bathroom, so speaking of the bathroom, let's go check it out. This bathroom feels a lot like an airplane bathroom. Starting off with the toilets, there is a yellow in case of emergency toilet seat. I'm about to use the toilet, so good thing there's a warning so that I can warn the person to use this toilet afterwards. There's toilet paper over here, or there's toilet paper on the opposite side where it looks like there's a tissue box, and underneath it says flush only toilet paper, no sanitary products, tissues, or wipes. Accurate to a plane as well. And then there is a shower that has glass walls, a metal floor, and cool white tiling on the wall. On the other wall is what looks like the metal from the original plane. If you get bored in the toilet, there's also some reading information about Bill's story. Bill is the plane, so Bill, thank you for having us. And thank you to Aerotel for making Bill. So, that is the Cumulonimbus room. Let's go see what else Aerotel has to offer. Outside the rooms, there is an area where you can sit and relax on the chairs from the original Boeing 737. And the tables are also originally from the Boeing 737. The one is made out of a cover for the fuel tank, and another is made out of the seats as well. So that is a really nice touch. I like that they've used parts from the original plane, which gives it a really nice feel to it. I'm currently sitting on this seat, and don't worry, I have plenty of leg room. Behind this area, there is the restaurants with a couple tables and chairs, and on the one side of the restaurants, there is the air hostess corner where there are the serving trays, which they'll push around when they are bringing your food, so I look forward to seeing that later. Making my way. Hi sir, how are you? Tonight on the menu is chicken or beef. What would you like? Can I have fish? Is that possible? No sir, we only have chicken or beef, as I just said. Vegetarian it is then. There's a wing that says mount the step and wing walking permitted here, which is unusual. This is cool. There is the actual cockpit from the plane that you can come and sit in, just explore and mess around. You see this hat? I'm the captain now. This is so cool. Moving on down these original stairs from the Boeing 737, we can make our way to another room. It is such a cool room. Firstly, the flooring is a map, suiting the place so perfectly, and suiting the theme perfectly as well is the original trays behind the seats. So you can sit here, do some work like my dad is doing right now, or you can just relax. Speaking of relaxing, you can make your way outside to come sit at the pool and sit on a lounger with your drink on a tire table from the original Boeing 737. They've also been unique and use the tire for an umbrella. And then you can come for a swim in the pool. And in the pool is a clock with a plane in the middle, which suits the theme amazingly as well. So I can't swim with this cast on, but I have figured out an alternative to that. I'm gonna dip my head in because it's just too hot here. There's an event happening later because it is the opening of their VIP plane. The event looks like it was a success. If you make your way underneath the restaurants, you'll see that there are a couple chairs where you can just sit and relax and have a look at the bottom of the plane sitting on a runway. I love that they've put a runway underneath here. It is the little touches which make the difference. So very nice ad. This is actually crazy. I can't believe I'm staying here tonight. Let's go. The sun has just gone down and all the lights have come on, and wow, it looks so cool. There are fairy lights around the sitting area here, and next to the rooms there are green and red runway lights which fit the theme so perfectly. Let's go. So that has been our stay here in Hoedspruit, the surrounding areas, and at Aerotel, and I've really enjoyed my stay here. I hope I've possibly influenced you guys to come and stay in the future, and if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next one. I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Shit, what's the time? I'm late. It's time for my flight. Checking in is now. Let's go. Welcome to a visitor making a video. And some space to put your stuff. I can actually fit in yet. Stop making noise. Chair squeaks a bit. I feel like I'm melting over here, it's so boiling. The heat in Hoedspruit is no joke. I'm burned. To a crisp, man. To a crisp. I hope that was funny. Making my way. What does this button do? Blow up. There are a lot of buttons in here. Radio 1, come in. We're going down. And one more thing, Radio 1. Let's go.